In this video, we're in the north of Thailand, trekking through the Golden Triangle. The Golden Triangle is the point where the three countries of Myanmar, Thailand and Laos all meet. To do this, we'll be travelling with two local guides, Sun and Wooth, from Lanna Trekking, a hiking and trekking company based out of Chiang Rai. We'll be spending the night in a small village in the middle of the jungle called Banyafu. And with the help of our guides, we'll find out a little bit about local life in rural Thailand. We began the hike about 45 minutes drive away from Chiang Rai city centre in Ruammit Village.
So much water.
Still have water in the rice field?
Yeah.
This year quite lots of water. Because here they do only one half a year. Just like
At this point, the terrain got much trickier. There's a lot more things to trip over once we got into the forest, and on top of that, we were still ascending the mountain and going uphill.
Spider.
That too.
Huh, yeah.
As you might expect, we weren't completely alone in the forest, with plenty of things that crawl and slither to keep us company.
Now I feel like I have spiders all over me.
like cotton.
I didn't know it could be so strong.
Silk.
Is that silk? No?
Yeah.
That's silkworm.
Spider web.
Where'd the spider go? I lost him
He's
now.
right there on that leaf still.
Some people eat too, this one.
They eat him.
Yeah,
He
deep fry.
doesn't look that tasty.
Put in the fire and then palm bean, huh?
They have this color and green.
Palm
Yeah,
Yeah.
I haven't seen that color.
brown.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Here goes. Woo! He's like, bye.
Yeah.
Oh no.
This spider.
Afraid to pass it. I feel like
This grass looks perfect for snakes to hide in.
I know. I got
Off my back.
He's coming for you.
Is he coming off my skin?
No.
Where is he? Is he on the back?
He's coming for you. Focus.
มีเขาเนี่ย
Look at him. Move. There are two of them, right?
You need,
I only saw one.
need to make it
Good eye
Only because he moved.
Yeah, he moved. He was wriggling a second ago.
เดี๋ยวผมถ่ายอยู่
Here we
แหน
go.
แหนอ๋อโหงูนี่ปิดอยู่นะ
Now he doesn't
Pick
want to
there.
move.
งูคอแดงอ่ะ
เออ
งูเป๋าปิดกะ
Peace.
งูเป๋าคอแดงนี่ปิดนะงูเป๋าคอแดงนี่ปิด
It's pretty cold. Might be doable. Might be doable.
How's it feel? How is it? Take it off.
Why do I have to be so sweaty?
It's your sweat.
No. I like the sun.
Back out of the forest, but back into the intense heat of the sun, this final hour of hiking became the most difficult for me.
It's shaky.
After 8 hours of hiking, we finally arrived at our destination, Banyafu Village.
Hello.
Another one.
What's he doing? He's dancing.
Dancing. Hey.
Hello.
อันนี้
Look at these chickies.
Okay, take off your shoe here. Look, left.
This one's where we're staying, right?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, up here.
Homestay.
Cool. This is the bedroom. This is our kitchen.
Yeah, after you join cooking with the families.
What do you think? You think it was a difficult hike?
Yeah, I think it was all right.
I think it was too bad until the last hour. Then the other last hour, I started getting pretty tired.
Yeah. I mean, it was pretty uphill, right?
But we didn't really stop. Though. That's one thing I noticed. We stopped like 20 minutes towards the beginning. That was about it.
Yeah. But I think as well, if it hadn't been COVID times and the path had been a bit more clear, it might have been a bit easier.
Yeah. I think that was probably the most difficult thing. Like,
Because even my pants now, I'm like, there's just thorns all
yeah,
over 'em.
all this crap all over my legs. If I'd known it was going to be like that, I would have worn some jeans.
Yeah.
I think that and there was enough spiders and snakes and things that would make me want to cover the rest of my body. That kind of creeped me out a little bit.
Yeah, no, it wasn't too bad though. I was a bit concerned at first though. The first bit that was just all uphill.
The first part, as soon as we went in the jungle, and then it was and that was all uphill, and we were climbing through stuff. So that first like 20 minutes, that was pretty tough. I was like, oh shit, we're in for a difficult hike here. But then it wasn't so bad. But then just with a backpack on, I kept falling over.
Let's see how this goes.
Oh shit.
No.
And we're gonna get it right on camera. I know when I first got there with that bag, he was like, oh. You could tell he was like, that's a big bag for one night.
Yeah.
Now it was time for a shower and a beer to get ready for dinner.
This is a whiskey?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mix a little bit honey.
Okay.
And
Do I drink it in one go? Boom.
yeah.
Okay. And it's made here?
Yeah, back in we can grow here.
Yeah. Okay.
But round cow made here, yeah, with from sticky rice. บ้านไปเขาไปเอาแล้วเหรอบ้านมันไหน It's good, right?
Pretty good.
Yeah. Not too bad, not too strong, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's good.
Oh, it smells good.
It's okay. It's not that bad.
Yeah. Do I shoot it? Do I take it real quick?
Yeah.
Just go.
Yeah.
Woo. Strong.
Yeah. A little bit strong.
But the flavor's all right.
Yeah. Say hello. How you say it?
Sawadika.
I told you.
I've
Oh,
forgotten.
is this another?
I've forgotten already.
Abuja.
Abuja.
It means hello and thank you.
Good.
Abuja.
Abuja.
So they speak a different language than
Yes.
just normal
Every
Thai?
tribe have their own language.
Is it similar to Thai or not really?
Different.
Different.
All
Can you
different.
can speak it?
I learned from them, but I can speak a little.
A little bit.
Yeah.
As they were cooking dinner, our guide Sun gave us lots of information about what life is like in
More
Banyafu.
tree.
Yeah.
It's no fuel, not too much fuel.
What are they cooking on here? Is this concrete?
Mud. The
Mud.
first is take mud, put on here.
Yeah, you have to be very careful in a
mud,
bamboo house.
Yeah.
And they not make big fire.
Yeah.
Just like this control for the.
And this
for the
pan's all iron. This
okay.
one's an open fire, right?
Yeah.
Don't fall asleep. Don't drink too many changs.
Yeah.
Or
Right.
too much ginger whiskey. Do a lot of people here, do they work in Chiang Rai or do they work on the farm?
Young people, some young people, yeah, but most of them did stay help the parents working in the farm. You know, no electricity at that time, no television, nothing. So just come working in the farm and come back eating and if dark, so they go to bed because bed is too early. Sometimes like 6-7 o'clock.
Yeah.
Nothing to do. Okay, baby.
Yeah.
That's why they have many baby, and they not go. This very funny. This village there. Why they don't have electricity? That time she said the government came, and he said you want the road or electricity. They said.
They want the roads instead.
Yes.
Well, now they can be connected, I guess. Yeah.
But if I think about like if he shoot electricity, I think they can make the road after.
Yeah.
Start with egg.
So all of their meat, all their vegetable, everything comes from
Yes. Yeah. They grow. They eat. They grow everything they eat. They eat everything they grow. They save money.
here. Yeah.
Save money and save food. No chemical.
Yeah.
What's it like when it rains?
No, they're
here?
from you. Huh? Sorry.
What's it like when it rains here? Do you get wet?
Wet, but not in the house.
Okay.
The roof is.
That's why most of the house you can see the building
It's all
high
metal, actually.
up, not on the ground. Because water, when the raining water running from the mountain,
Yeah.
and animal.
It probably doesn't rain.
This is the Golden Triangle, right?
Yeah, that's
สัก
what
กะ
they
ก็
said.
ยุบแล้ว
Does any of that happen like near this village? The drug smuggler?
Yeah, for opium. You said, yeah.
Opium.
That's you mean, right? For opium. They have opium museum there too.
Yeah.
Where do they grow it? In Laos?
They grow in Thailand too.
In Thailand.
Thai, Laos, and Myanmar. But
They grow
that
it in all
time in that area very easy to sell to. But they grow everywhere in Thailand, Laos, and Myanmar. Most of the north.
Is that popular in Thailand now, opium?
Yeah, we have also some people do it. Yeah, but mostly popular from China. So China they came also that time by boat to buy to bought the opium from three country. But we also bought
that 'cause
Laos
they're
and
English?
Thai and Vietnam. That's why this big market like a big market for opium because easy for because 3 country in there.
Countries,
Right.
Perfect for
Yeah,
trade.
yeah. That's why we call Golden Triangle. Triangles mean 3 country. Golden is mean like golden place, like a lots of money
Yeah, is that why?
from the opium. Yeah. It's Buddhist.
That's what,
So we have a
yeah.
church.
I've
and
noticed
temple.
I've noticed in Thailand,
Especially in the north.
if you go, well, maybe it's in north or maybe it's in the villages, more people are Christian.
Yeah, in the north, most of the north.
Because even, where did we go?
Good. Do you know why more people are Christian here?
We are in the old time. We are most of the north is believe animistic.
Yeah,
Believe the ghosts.
right.
Believe the spirit in the forest.
Yeah,
And we are very poor.
right.
To change the religions
Yeah.
because they came from Bangkok. Missionary came.
Like Thai
came.
missionaries or?
Mixed foreigner too. Yeah, came by. We change for money. We
Yeah.
change for education.
Yeah.
Yeah, we change for study. We change
Because
for
they
health.
gave you money?
For health. They help.
They give opportunities,
Sometimes they give money. They give 100 baht. Okay, long queue. 100 baht. Everybody from the village came.
Yeah.
Not easy to in that time no work, no job for work. But now lots of job, but people not work. Yeah, in that time. Yeah, when my
Chinese cabbage. Yeah, fried with eggs and ginger. Yeah.
Thank you.
เกียบแล้วไอ้ความมันความแล้วกินเท่ากันกะ
So we cheers.
กินเท่ากันกะ
Cheers. Yeah. Okay.
Chong,
thank
right?
you. Yeah.
Chong.
Chong.
John.
ชอน
Yeah.
thank you ขอบคุณครับ
Thank
ชอน
you,
ชอน
John.
โอเค
Thank you. Clink.
Lanna Trekking before COVID. Every night we are here.
Every,
Yeah.
yeah.
I bet.
And,
we are also tour guide
we are very
Change.
happy with
Change.
Yeah.
family. This family.
You know this family
family,
well.
yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, did you find a rat?
At this point, we headed back to the village for a quick breakfast before starting our hike with a steep and slippery ascent.
Steep. I can't.
Yeah. A big part of this area is used for growing crops, including mangoes, white carrot, bananas,
Good as well.
this strange but familiar looking plant,
Why do they grow the marijuana?
and pineapples. Which, maybe I'm an idiot, but I had no idea pineapples grew out the ground like this.
We call olive fruit.
Olive fruit. Can you read it?
You can eat.
Oh.
Woo! And after
You can hear. We got one.
you can see in the market, small one, white.
At this point, Sun and Wooth cooked up a lunch for us. All the ingredients were bought in the village, and for lunch we were having sticky rice, pork, with a spicy Thai eggplant side dish.
The whole, put the water half first section, and second one put the rice on there.
Okay, so
Like
it boils it.
Water, steam the rice.
Gotcha.
Cola, me.
Follow me.
You know cola?
Yeah.
Dog, right?
How do you cook the eggplant?
You boiling and make like a salad. Smashing with chili, garlic, and salad. Từng đi kẹ vô đi vậy bữa đó sẽ thùng.
Sushi,
Sushi.
10 baht. Elephant poo.
And it just keeps coming back.
Great spot. Now out in the open with like nice landscape. It's quite nice.
We finally made it back to the fields which we started hiking in, and we're slowly but surely edging back towards civilization.
What do you got? We did it!
We made it!
Woo!
Survived!
Woo!
Yay!
Luckily for us, our guides had one more surprise left in store for us, as there's a natural hot spring sauna nearby. If you're in Chiang Rai and you want to do this exact same trek, you can contact Lanna Trekking, and I'll leave the link in the description below. And if you've enjoyed this video, you can also take a look at my videos in Khao Sok National Park and Nan Province. And these are videos where I go hiking in Thailand. Thank you very much, and goodbye.